How to create a poll in Slack using Polly. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Slack and navigate to the channel where you want to create a poll. Ensure that Polly is installed in your workspace. 2. If Polly is not installed, go to the Slack app directory, search for Polly, and click Add to Slack to integrate it. 3. Once installed, type /POLLY in the message bar, followed by your question and answer choices. For example, Polly, which day works best for a meeting? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4. Customize the poll settings by adding options such as anonymous voting, multiple choice selections, or scheduling the poll to close at a specific time. 5. Post the poll in a channel where participants can see it, and Slack will automatically generate voting buttons for users to click. 6. Monitor the results in real time by clicking on the Polly message or using the Polly dashboard for a more detailed breakdown of responses. 7. Once the poll closes, share the results with the team and use the insights to make informed decisions based on team preferences.